Hey friends, if you wish to jump to a particular page number in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. So the page numbers are displayed on the left bottom corner, and when you click on it, all the pages are visible here. But if let's say you want to jump to a specific page, you will have to type its number here and hit enter, and you will be able to reach that page. Okay, so this is how you can do it in the page results, or just a better way, you can directly scroll down to that page. It's not difficult. There are many more ways to do this also through the Control plus F, the find button. Let me show you. Okay, in this, when you press Control plus F, it takes you to navigation. You can go to the pages section again. I mean, this time the difference is that instead of clicking at the left bottom corner, I use the shortcut Control plus F, and then you can use it for navigation. And again, for navigation, you can select the page number to which you wish to scroll. It's that easy. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.